explain about the occurrence of metals. This is very important point. Now, metals are found in two forms in nature. One is free state. Free state, it is also called as native form. Free state is also called as native form, or it is also called as elemental form. Elemental form means, so these three are same. When any metal is found in the form of its particles, fine particles, along with the some special kind of sand or the river sand in some cases like silver, gold, etc. So that state is called as, either we call free state or native form or elemental state. So very few metals, example silver and gold, they are found in form of rocks. So rocks, argentiferous rocks, they have the silver, and auriferous rocks, they have the gold. They are very rare in the very fine particles along with the sand and soil. Only these metals, because these metals are very stable, they are called noble metals. They don't react as such. So this is one condition, native form, free state, and they are also found in some of the rivers sands, because due to weathering, when water flows in a river, so there is the weathering of the rocks. Whenever the this water passes around the rocks, it cuts down slowly, and then very fine particles of these metals are available not in all the rivers but few rivers. Like in India, there is a river called Swarna Rekha. So it has the very fine particles of uh, gold. It is very difficult job to separate, because you can imagine the very small size. So in addition to some more rivers also, those rivers which flow around the some such belts. Now, second form is in combined state. In combined state, the metals are found in form of ores and minerals. So ores and minerals are the combined forms of the metals with some non-metals like oxides, sulfides, hydroxides, carbonates, etc. So these are combined states, and then I coming to explain about the ores and minerals. So ores and minerals are initially they are called as metal bearing substances. They are called as metal bearing substances. The substances which are in the form of metallic compounds, and they are only natural. They are only in nature. They are found in nature. They were found millions of years ago by the big sun due to volcanic eruptions or many conditions. Now we'll see about the ore first. What is ore? So ore is naturally occurring substance from which a metal can be extracted easily and economically. It is naturally occurring or naturally available substance from which A metal can be extracted easily and economically. This is very important point. Extracted easily and economically. This is the definition of ore. Now coming to minerals. So minerals are just metal bearing substances found in nature. Metal bearing substances found in nature. Now there is a minor difference between the ores and minerals. We say that all the ores are minerals. All the ores. This is very important point. All the ores are minerals. All the ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. There is no difference because from an ore we can extract a metal easily and economically, but it is uneconomical to extract a metal from its mineral because in ores the concentration of particular metal or metal form combined state is more. In case of mineral, there is less metallic content and there is other non-metallic content. Like see, CuFeS2, iron copper pyrite. Iron copper pyrite. This is commonly called as fool's gold. It is basically mineral of copper. It is mineral of copper. Mineral. It is mineral of copper because it has less concentration. As it has less concentration of copper. Now, other is how to differentiate Cu2S. This is ore of copper. Copper sulfide, copper glans. It is copper sulfide. It is also called as copper glans. So it is also found in nature. And so this is the difference between ores and minerals.